Okay, so my order got delivered. Let's unbox it. Super excited for what I purchased. Okay, so the first item that I purchased is the flower plushie thing. I've been wanting this one since they first launched, but these actually sold pretty quick from their store, and then every third party was selling it super expensive. But yeah, in case you don't know, they're back in stock, but it's only certain characters though. So just to let you know, it's only like I think RJ, Shimmy, and Tata, I think, are the ones that are restocked. And yeah, so super cute. Okay, so the next thing that I purchased was the roller stamp. This item is the monitor air freshener thing. Okay, and then I got some candle wax cube things. They have the little characters on them. I actually don't know like what the smell is for each one, but we'll try them out. We'll try one out today. And the last thing was this Koya pouch thing. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Okay, so this is kind of like my little desk setup. And so yeah, like I said, I have Cookie, RJ, and Koya because those are my favorite from the BT21 characters. And so yeah, when my brother walked in, when I first got them, he thought it was so cool. Like, he wished that they could make them in other characters, you know, like any anime ones or Disney characters. I honestly think they will sell out because this is so adorable. But yeah, so he was looking at the characters and even though he's not like a big BTS fan, he was like, you know what, let me get Tata. So yeah, he liked Tata. So let's quickly set it up and put it in his room because right now he's at school, so I want to surprise him. But yeah, anyways, for the flower plushie, I want to put it right there. So let's do that as well. Okay, so are you guys ready? Ta-da! This is how the flower work looks on there. The only thing that's bugging me, I'm gonna be honest with you, is like how different the greens are. Obviously, like the leaves are darker green and like the stem of the plushie is a light green. So I'm thinking, well, I'm already planning to fill the vase up with more pearls. I just need to buy more of that. But I was thinking maybe dyeing it, that portion of the plushie, a darker green, or maybe wrapping it around with dark green ribbon. I don't know yet, but I think it looks cute though. I do have another place where I kind of want to put it. I don't know, I haven't decided yet, so let me know. Now let's try the wax melts. And so I already have my little warmer thing on, and I don't know, which one should we try out? I guess we could do Cookie for right now. Okay, so they just smell honestly like regular soap. Like nothing fancy. But yeah, let's put it on there. Okay, so while that melts away, now let's open up the rolling stamp. I actually want to try it out. So yeah, and I think I'm gonna display it in my little shipping area station thing here. Shipping label station. And so yeah. This is so adorable. Oh, so freaking cute. Anyways, so I'm just gonna put it right there for right now. I think it'll be cute. My little buddy while I'm packing orders. Okay, anyways, the last thing is the pouch. And that's gonna go in my bag. So let me open it up. Okay, so I removed the little necklace part thing just because I want to use this for my coin as my coin purse. So yeah, that's pretty much it though, what I bought. And yeah, I'll see you guys on the next haul. Bye.